don't do this in digital marketing. So welcome, if you're new to my page, welcome. I'm Amanda, and welcome to The Real Amanda Young. Remember to click the subscribe button. I teach people how to make money in different ways here online. Welcome, and today we're gonna talk about do not do this one thing when it comes to digital marketing, okay? So when you're selling products, whether it's physical or digital, whatever, this is one area, this is one mistake that I've made over the years is I did not create an email system, okay? I didn't create an email list. And what happens to a lot of people that end up building something online, or maybe you're starting to build something online, they don't build an email list. They kind of put that on the back burner. You know, like, oh, I will get to it one day, right? But when you're in digital marketing, I'm really going to focus on digital marketing because I think the digital business is really doable versus physical, because digital is once you have it already set in place or you buy the master resale rights of things, when somebody purchases it, it automatically goes right to their email, okay? You don't have to ship. You don't have to do boxing and shipping and customer service and all the other details that are involved with a physical product. So I think having a digital business is a great way to add to whatever you're doing, okay? This pairs really great with a lot of different industries. Affiliate marketing, network marketing, a job. Like, you can do it once you have it set up. It does the work for you in the background, right? If you can set it up right, okay? A lot of times, most people don't set it up right. They forget the email. Like, building an email list is really important. They don't know how to capture people as attention and stuff like that. So when it comes to digital marketing, you've got to have a really good product, whatever you're promoting. Maybe it's you're very good at, like, for example, maybe you're really good at cooking or cleaning or, doing makeup. Whatever, if I put you on stage for 20 minutes, what could you talk about for those 20 minutes? And that's really your area, your passion, your niche. And I would monetize it. Okay, I would monetize that specific niche. If you don't have you don't have any clue what to do, you can always do resale rights. Own a product, buy it outright. You own 100% of it, and you can do whatever you want with it. Okay, you can do that as well. But say you have a specific area that you really love to talk about, you can niche that down, okay? You can hey, a niche is just something you're passionate about, that you can talk about, you're specialized in. A lot of platforms back in the day, several years ago, everybody's like, oh, you can talk about 5 things. This was actually a thing. 5 different topics, 5 different buckets, okay? We can talk about, inspiration, family, fitness, clean eating, parenting. Those days are over with. Those days are way over with to talk about all kinds of different things. People are so busy now and their attention span is so short. You have 3 seconds to grab someone's attention and they're gone, right? You have 3 seconds because there's so much going on out there constantly, all the time. You have to grab people's attention. You have 3 seconds to do it. So really becoming niched, especially on Instagram, TikTok. When I'm very niched in those areas, those platforms do really good. If I'm not niched on a platform, those platforms do not do and produce very well, okay? So, if you're like, hey, I would love to start, maybe you're amazing at makeup, okay? You're great at makeup. People are always asking you, how do you do your makeup? How do you do this? What should I buy? Stuff like that. That what you can do is monetize it. You can create a little mini course, right? And sell for $47, right? And you can open your, get an Instagram, and I would get a TikTok, okay? And start building those platforms and be very specific niche. And then you can create your own product around makeup, okay? And then on top of it, this is just an extra bonus, is I would add affiliate products with it. If you like makeup, maybe there's certain brushes, find, the company that you love, reach out to them. Maybe they can make a deal with you and you can become an ambassador, an affiliate for them, right? And you can incorporate that. So at the end of the day, you have this specific passion that you love, okay? Then you've got to get people into your email system, your funnel. I don't know if I have a pen here, but your funnel, right? At the end of the day, you've got to have a funnel. Most people don't have a funnel, right? And you're like, what is a funnel? I am so confused. What is a funnel? A funnel looks like this. At the top, so many people are interested, right? And the more people that go through your funnel, through your system, people pop out as customers, okay? So your funnel is your email list, your website. You take people to your website. You have a freebie. You have a free offer of some sort. In the marketing world, it's called a lead magnet. Whatever you want to call it, right? You have this free offer, 10 steps to have, 10 steps on how to look better at 50, okay? People opt in to your email list, okay? You bring value to them. You start building a relationship, the like, know, and trust factor, right? Right? And eventually you'll sprinkle in other things. Maybe your digital course, like, hey, I have this course to teach you 5 steps on how to have that glowing looking skin, at 50, right? Whatever your product is, right? You can offer that through your email list, and some of them will purchase and buy it. And when it's set up, it goes through their email list, they love it, and then you still drip on them, right? And you still, every day, you ask yourself, how many people that opted in to my freebie, to my free offer, to my lead magnet? How many people, right? And then you can start testing what's working and what's not. But this gives you another way to make money, okay? This is a great way to learn and also how to make extra money on the side, okay? It could become full-time. I've seen that happen with a variety of people. It becomes a full-time thing. It replaces their income, right? So it depends on where you're at. But this is a great way to get started, okay? To figure out, I have a product, I have a passion, I can create it to a digital product, right? You can start dripping them in your email list, right? You can start promoting other things to them that's makeup related, maybe hair related, you know what I mean? So, you can offer a variety of different things to them as well, okay? Because that's your list. You own your list. Nobody can take your list away from you, right? Nobody can take your list away from you. So it's you own it, it's your list, okay? So that's really important. And the email system becomes your automated system because you already have the emails in there, right? You already have everything already plug and play kind of. Once you have everything set up, it just goes through the system. And of course you're going to email them periodically, once a week or whatever you prefer, twice a week, whatever you decide. But then you start building a list of people that like and know and trust you. And they're going to buy the things that you recommend because they have had an amazing experience, right? So that is a great way to add an additional stream of income, to create a digital product that you're really good at, like something, whatever you're passionate about, right? Whatever you're passionate about, turn it into a digital product. Can make a huge difference. It's extra income that's coming in, right? If you follow me in any platform, I talk about multiple streams of income. I really believe in multiple streams of income. It's really important. You never know, right? You don't own social media, right? Anything can happen. You do own your email list. So if you'd like to learn more on how, hey, I would love to monetize what I'm good at, or maybe you just want to learn how to do digital marketing from A to Z, I can actually share more information with you. I actually have a recipe that can teach you how to do that. It's a free recipe. I will link the link down below. Opt in, take a look, start educating yourself on digital marketing, and dive into it. Dive into it and start learning it, okay? And start building your own digital business, your own stuff. So then that way you can have an additional stream of income. So I will link that down below in the descriptions. Remember to click the subscribe button so we can stay connected. I hope this brought you value today, and I will see you later, my friend. Bye.